I'm a bit puzzled. I go out chopping wood down to make nunchucks and different stuff. So here's today's little thing. This one's nice. I'm gonna actually cut into slithers. Keeping the bark for some reason. I've no idea why. I'll do something with it. But when you actually show somebody this, when you're walking around, all I'm doing is going for a wander, taking dogs for a walk, finding some nice bits of wood. And then when they see you with this, they get scared. I have no idea why. I'm only out for a little walk in the woods, cutting down a few bits of tree to make nunchucks and other things. And this could be a walking stick. It's a fucking wobbly thing. That's a Filipino fighting stick. You watch it on TV, the cops in different countries use these and they beat the fuck out of you, so yeah, it's not a bad thing to have. So I like this. Basically this is a lovely saw. It's got two sets of teeth. And it's nothing better than going for a wander in the woods and this is fucking heavy lump. That's all I can say. And the bark, now that it's stripped off, it's gonna be, it's decorative. There's something about it. The whole process of chopping the wood down, transforming it, I'm starting to enjoy it. I haven't done it, so this is my little go out in the woods too. Fucking saw. But I'd say some people get I don't know, scared when I get that. It's like I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just collecting wood. Artistic creativity. That's all it is.